Hello everyone, welcome to Tinkle. Now using this magnetos, let's play a small game. But before we get into the game, let's understand something about magnets, that is attraction and repulsion. If you see here, the magnetos have two colors on each side, red and blue, right? Now this is because this is to represent two poles of the magnet, north pole and south pole. In magnets, like poles repel each other, that means they push each other away. However, you might try to bring them together, they won't attract, they won't get near each other. But unlike poles, they attract each other. Right? You can see here when I bring blue and red near, it attracts. So like poles repel each other and unlike poles attract each other. So using this concept, let's play the game. Using these two magnets and the magnetos, I will make a wheel, a magnet wheel. I'll keep this here and attract. So now this can roll around, and with this half pop I can push them. Just be careful about the colors. So in the half pop bit also you can see the blue and the red colors given. If you bring the red and blue near, it gets attracted, red and blue. But if you bring red near, let's see what happens. It moves, right? So this is all. This is a very simple concept but very fun idea to play with. You can create maze on the ground and you can push this and you can take it wherever you want to go.